So, hello everyone, welcome to Indica's Insight. So, it's almost a long time, I guess 2 3 years since I posted a video on my channel. So, actually, the thing is, I am creating, or you can say, documenting my journey of SSB, that is Service Selection Board here, and I really want to actually document it and post on YouTube so that other can also uh, like take benefits from it. And for that I am actually creating a SSB playlist which is going to be very much helpful. So if you find this helpful, if you find this series very much helpful, please share it along like with your friends and all. So let's begin. So I am actually going to present you this whole screen. So first of all, disclaimer. The disclaimer is that I am not an SSB expert. I am just a person who actually appeared Service Selection Board 2 times, and I'm just sharing my experiences. So take everything with a pinch of salt and add your experiences as well as use your mind, and then process the information. Next, who am I? So I am actually Shivam Kumar. I got AR 112 in NDA 147, and I got recommended from 19 SSB Allahabad. My marks were 459 and it were one of the highest, and it was my second attempt. I was the repeater, and actually in first attempt I actually got conference out from 22 SSB Bhopal. So that's being my credentials. Currently I am actually a fourth year student at NIT Rourkela, and I'm going to pass soon. uh, like I'm going to get graduate. So where we have been, so the thing is, like, you were seeing two people, we were actually making videos, and after that we actually stopped doing that. So after my medical out, I went to NIT Rourkela and I was pursuing engineering. So the other guy, Rahul, he got AR1 in TES, he got AR14 in NDA, and when first time he also got selected in NDA, and currently he is in Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, Secunderabad, and he is having his fun there. So what's the goal of this channel? So I'm going to actually tell our experiences of how we cleared SSB, and then we are going to give you insights on how you can change and improve yourself for SSB. Because first time when I got conference out, I went as a fresher with full of our confidence and very negligible practices. But after like my conference out, I had almost like 4 months to go again for SSB, and in that 4 months I improved myself and went on to clear the SSB. Next in line, I'm going to bust myths. There are lots of myths in SSB journey, or you can say space, because the people who are clearing versus the people who are not clearing or getting screen out or getting you can say conference out is much more. So that's why I really want to bust myths. I have encountered lots of myths, but there are lots of myths which may be or may not be you are going to encounter here, but I am going to be very much rational. Then I'm going to give you insights on how to do different tasks and make yourself stand out from the crowd. And believe me, I'm not going to give you some ramban. I'm just going to tell you what you have to actually do in that scenario rather than faking yourself out. Then the thing is, why I am doing this. So actually the thing is, I mentored my friends, my juniors as well as my seniors of my school. So I am from Sainik School Bhubaneswar, from I guess 2014 to 2021 batch. And in that journey, after clearing SSB, so many people joined me and asked for guidance. So what was happening is that I have also a very limited time period. So I, for the time being, I have to go on, and for I am taking 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes session, 2 hour session, and it was like it was happening a lot of times. So I thought, why not to put it on YouTube and just go on and share the link with my friends or anybody who asks for guidance. And second is, I always wanted to give back to the community because I learned a lot from YouTube community. And then I really want to document my journey, because I am going to document my life also in near future, but before it gets lost. And SSB journey is very much precious to me, and because I my childhood dream and the only dream which I have seen is that to get into Indian Defense Forces. So I really want to document it, and the process of giving SSB 2 times, and the things which happened in between is really fun, as well as there are a lot of things happened. So I really want to document it before it get lost, because it's almost like 2-3 years since I cleared it, and to be honest, I'm actually forgetting lots of things of that journey. But actually it's my heart, it's actually in my heart. So I'm not going to forget it from my heart, but from my mind, maybe yes. What's in this SSB playlist? So actually, I will discuss each and every day, as well as the task, how I did it, how I did it when I went to SSB Bhopal, and how I did it in SSB Allahabad, which led me to recommendation, and will guide you on how to prepare for each task. The right way? No, actually, I don't think there is a right way or wrong way. So I will just tell you to how to prepare for each task, and how I actually prepared it when I went to the first time and when I went to the second time. And then we'll also share anecdotes as well as my resources. So that's all about this SSB playlist. So why to trust me? It's totally upon you, that if you want to trust me or you don't want to trust me. But the thing is, like, it's I'm just documenting it here. I got some credentials that I was actually AIR 112 in ND 147. So if you are acknowledging my like merit rank or position, or if you just want some guidance, so you can trust me. But again, I would like to give you a disclaimer that I'm just sharing my experiences and learnings which I got in this SSB journey. So just take it with a pinch of salt, and at the same time, don't be an ignorant person, because I have encountered lots of persons who are really very ignorant when it comes to guidance or something. They are like, no, I don't want your guidance or something like that. So if you are SSB aspirant, you have to be very much vocal about it. We all know about like all the OLQs to make communication skills our better. So I still thinks that it's not my loss, but it's her loss or anybody's loss. If you are knowing someone who has cleared it, and if you also want to clear it, you can just go on and ask them. It's applicable for all the phases of our life, because you can learn from others journey, irrespective of that. You can also you can learn from others mistake before doing your mistake. And that's all. No, that's all. I really want to document it and give back to the community. So I'm actually going to compile all the videos in a playlist, and maybe I'm going to rename it as SSB Ultimate Guide. Oh, okay. So that's all in this video. Please stay tuned, and please share if you want to do that. And mm, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any query or anything, as a big brother, you can just comment down in this video, and you can just interact with me. That's all. Bye bye. Jai Hind.